Today we read Isaiah 64 through 66. As we've said the last few days, it's all part of God's plan. It's his plan for rescue and his plan for the redemption of all creation. I don't know if you've ever been to Yellowstone National Park, but I was there recently and just absolutely floored by the creativity of God and the depth of his plans just for how the earth moves and works. If this is what he can do with earth and creation, I have good faith that he can restore it all as well. Would you join me in singing All of Creation from MercyMe?
Separated until the veil was torn, the moment that hope was born and guilt was pardoned once and for all. Captivated, but no longer bound by chains, left at an empty grave, the sinner and the sacred resolve. And all of creation, sing with me now. Lift up your voice and lay your burden down. All of creation, sing with me now. Fill up the heavens, let his glory resound. Time has faded, and we see him face to face. Every doubt erased, forever we will worship the King. And all of creation, sing with me now. Lift up your voice and lay your burden down. All of creation, sing with me now. Fill up the heavens, let his glory resound. Oh, 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 the reason we breathe is to sing of his glory, and for all he has done. Praise the Father, praise the Son, and the Spirit in one. And all of creation, sing with me now. Lift up your voice and lay your burden down. All of creation, sing with me now. Oh, let his glory resound. Oh, 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 oh.
Every knee will bow and every tongue will praise him. Thanks for worshiping with me today. I am Debbie Byrd, and I'll see you tomorrow.